Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to spin flashlight in Grace's Roblox. Alright, as you can see here, let's try to join a custom lobby. Create. So, as you can see, we are on the game. Now once the game starts, you're going to want to get your flashlight. Alright, so what you're going to do basically is on your mouse. Unfortunately for mobile players, I don't have a solution yet for you. So basically for desktop players or the ones that that are using mouse, all right, what you're gonna want to do is just tap and hold your left click, all right, to do this. And that's basically how you do it. All right, as you can see here. To stop it, you just release the mouse button, which is the left click. All right. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.